Assalamualaikum pada semua viewers I'm Kak Asma again here. As I said that I want to cook today kari ayam from the brand of daripada A1 I just want to try, no matter how I try whatever brand that I'm using for any of my masakan, I still have to use my own. This is the thing bila I dah pour it earlier. In your packing, this is the chili that already, the ingredients is there, is this, written is halal, and then I still have to grind, I have to still blend, saya punya rencana, orang kita ni kan dah biasa masak, mesti nak pakai kita punya alia, bawang besar, whatever is to be blended to add on with the flavour, and then I have all done here with my cuttings of onions, the chili, all this, and the tomatoes, all this here. This is the thing that kita nak lepaskan. Biasalah, saya masak kari, whatever kari, masak kuah dal or whatever, I still use my daun ketumba. It's my favourite beside the kayu manis, beside the daun kari. And the 4 sekawan these are the main dish for every of masak kari or whatever masakan traditional of our way of cooking. Okay? Of course, kita tak tinggal with the chili powder and the kunyit, and this is the chicken I already marinate. Okay, kita mesti nak marinate. I must marinate to get the flavour in the chicken punya taste when kita eat. Okay, this is the brand. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking as normal. Okay, and I also try to I think if let's say yang siapa yang dah pakai ni brand, after I cook, I tried whether it's nice. Should be nice lah kalau you add on with your thing. This packet I'm selling at $2.60 per packet. Okay, this brand. Beside other brand that I'm having, like Babas, all these things I'm doing this promotion. Okay, so I'm going to start cooking now. I kenapa ambil chicken sebab I think chicken paling senang chicken paling senang, cepat masak. Kalau mutton, I have to take so much of my time and so much of your time. I mean, kita nak kena tunggu lambat. Pasal I always rush for the for work. After selalunya saya lepas ini saya rush Okay, biasa-biasa this is all the oil that I'm using. Okay, don't worry bila masak, kita jangan takut dengan pakai minyak pasal minyak tu binti dia dah resap, kita dah boleh, selalu minyak selalu tahan lauk kita Kita kalau kurang minyak, lauk dia tak cantik dengan nanti lekas basi. This is what my experience is. I don't know about you people who used to be cooking also, but my style, if to put a lot of oil, then we just filter the thing oil. Okay, this is how it goes. I'm going to tumis, let the minyak panas dulu. Then I'm going to tumis all the things that I showed you just now. And using this, I've already tried just now. The taste dia punya rempah ni is already like ready made. It's the paste is already ready. I don't blend anything. It's not a powder form Dia betul-betul macam gini punya rencah. Dah siap dalam itu paket tadi. It's totally different from the other brands of curry powder. Okay, I'm going to put in all the my barang-barang. Okay, sementara saya nak tunggu minyak panas rencah yang orang kemarin order dia saya dah siapkan. Yang kalio punya ayam paste ni saya dah siapkan ni, satu tapawai gini. It's the angle of this is at $8 semua everything inside. Siapa yang order ni, kalau you nak letak titikkan serai bila you tumis, atau you nak iriskan bawang, it's up to you, but I think advice cuba titik serai kalau you nak. Then you put in, jangan lupa you punya daun kunyit, daun limau dengan asam keping. How asam you are going to be is up to your choice. And then you taste. Siapa nak letak garam lebih ke, ajinomoto ke, if terlalu pedas, you want to put little bit sugar, is fine, because this is pedas Habis kalau pakai kotak santan biasa je, you pakai dia satu kotak santan, you pakai 2 kotak tu punya air juga. Daripada kotak tu you pakai air, then it will be pekat dengan sedang. Kalau you want to cair a bit, you tambahkan air je. Okay, and the sambal belacan that they ordered is already ready also. Okay, I just show you the same, bukan sample, these are the things that I have already done this morning baru Kak Asma bikin. Minyak dah panas. Minyak sudah panas. Saya mesti adakan saya punya okay, rencah yang saya dah blend sendiri untuk cita rasa saya sendiri. That's how it goes. Lalu masak mesti dengan penuh kasih sayang. Bacalah bismillah. Saya dah baca bismillah dalam hati. Mak kan dah kena jari baru cakap. Okey, ni nak kasih garing Tentang kelentung saya kalau kat dapur. Kasih dia garing sekali. Dah garing baru saya letak saya punya kayu manis, daun kari, dia punya 4 sekawan kari ayam, kari daging. You mesti nak pakai ini semua This is the main recipe. Okay, in whatever you masak masak-masak lauk kari India ni semua, diorang banyak pakai daun kari, daun ketumba, macam lauk-lauk sup, daun sup, daun bawang, dan masak asam pedas. So ada orang pakai daun masak asam pedas pakai daun sup, daun apa? Daun kesum dengan daun kari some of them So this is all the menu yang regular lah, kira biasa you punya masak. Okay, I'm going to basic sampai garing Then we see how it goes from here. I'm going to put up my onions. Okay. Tomato last Okay. Korang mesti tanya kenapa saya nak masak kari pun pakai kuali. Pasal kuali saya saja macam betul bentuk periuk Cuma dia bertangkai panjang gini. Saya selesa dengan kuali macam gini. Okay, kasih dia garing Okay. Okay, garing. Saya nak letak saya punya apa ni biasa saya punya macam hobi bukan hobi ke habit tak tahu. Kalau agaknya yang orang yang tengah masak kat luar semua jadi habit juga sama. Saya pakai kunyit serbok sikit kat atas you can see the kunyit. And I like to have a little bit of spice on my curry Even though this one is already there in the ingredients, they already put everything inside. But for me, I need to alter for myself for my own taste. Kalau viewers wants to join in the same way of my doing this, by all means, you have every right to do your own way of doing cooking I'm just telling you about the promotion of this curry A1 brand Again, yang siapa baru log in, Kari Ayam A1. The price at 260 It's halal, it's Malaysia product. Okay. So they want me to try. So I'm trying now. So okay, this thing macam dia dah garing You can see. Dah garing. I'm going to pour this. Using their whole set of satu packet tu Dalam ingredients sini dia dah ada letak gula tau Saya I don't want to comment so much pasal usually kita punya curry there's no sugar at all. But this packet dia dah letak gula. So the curry is going to be this color. Okay. I'm going to pour a little bit water, nak rinse up the thing to pour it here because it's too thick. I'm going to put my chicken, belum letak chicken ni, kasih dia berdiri sikit. Control your fire when you cook this takut dia garing sangat, dia hangit. So I'm going to put my chicken. I'm still using macam ayam kepak tu kan, saya belah dua. Okay. The chicken that I already marinate, I'm going to put in. I'm not going to use any coconut here. Okay, those who likes to put in coconut, is up to your choice I only cook the way it goes, and I will alter it from apa macam mana rasa-rasa dia. These are the things that I'm going to put. See, there's satu packet with my own Rempah. Saya nak tengok, saya nak gaulkan dia whether cukup tak untuk semua lauk tu. Okay, selalunya kalau kari ayam dia orang letak apa ni, dia orang letak kentang semua Saya ni hari terlupa nak beli kentang, janganlah marah Okay. Okay. Kita akan diamkan dia. Saya akan tuangkan tomato saya ni. All the tomatoes. Tomatoes is nak rasa macam masam-masam. Saya tak pakai santan Directly I don't use santan at all All my curries I never use santan except some koko lemak yang perlukan santan kotak, santan that I use. Okay, I'm going to pour in my daun ketumba. Okay, to get all the fragrance here. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt because just now I rasa kan dia macam kurang garam. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. It's up to you salt saya sikit saya takut dia orang dah letak garam saya, tapi saya tak tahu nanti terlalu masin. Kalau lu ada kentang, dia boleh absorb dia punya masin Okay. Kita jangan letak air dulu sebab apa ni, ayam kan keluar air dia kan. Jadi kita nak biarkan dia dulu mendidih. Then we'll see how it goes. Okay, the curry flavor, I don't know whether the color cantik ke tidak. Mata dah giro dengan lampu kamera ni. Okay, it's like that. The tomato itself biji tomato yang saya pakai fresh ni pun dah boleh rasakan masamnya dalam curry ni. So the curry is going to be very thick. Yeah, I guess it's going to be thick here. And I'm going to pour a little bit of water just to make it macam the flavor. You have to add your own flavor sini I dah rasa dia punya rasa Okay saya rasa. Okay, let's let it masak. Saya ayam saya tak habiskan cukup untuk okay, dia punya packet tu is really enough for like 1 kilo of kepak ayam plus another 2-3 keping is cukup, but I didn't use all. You see, I still have the balance of my chicken here. I didn't add on. It's really enough for untuk orang makan 4 ke 5 orang atau the whole day of eating of this food is just nice. Dia punya paste. Okay, the packet is $2.60 per packet. Then you add on with your own ingredients, whatever how you cook your curry. You can put tomato puree, you can add on whatever you blend inside. For me, I always blend my own things inside to get the better texture and the flavor. Okay? Okay, we'll roll up back and wait for the chicken to be cooked here. Pasal ni nak kasi cook. The reason why I use chicken, pasal kita nak cepat. You all can use daging juga Daging, and then you can add on to your own curry punya whatever is. Okay, saya nak tunggu kasih dia empuk sikit Saya nak tuangkan air panas sikit supaya dia macam masak sikit cepat sikit. There will be a lot of new things that I'm coming up with So please like and share my page. Okay. Okay. Cepat dengan curry. So tadi kan saya letak air sikit kan, actually it should not put air. Dia dah jadi berair gini. Saya kari ayam tapi tetap pekat, tapi saya suka kari ayam saya pekat-pekat dia sedap. You boleh makan dengan roti prata, you boleh makan dengan roti Perancis and then you can eat with chapati also, these things. The flavor is there. Then you can eat with rice. Kalau you dah nak masak kari ni, goreng sayur kacang panjang atau cabbage. It's nice. Yeah, this is the curry. Okay, soon I will roll up and pack. And I have to go to work. Okay, ayam ni pun dah empuk. So dah masak. So I find it.